How to easily edit to the beat in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Start by importing your music and your footage into Premiere Pro. Next, move your playhead to the beginning of your sequence. We're going to map out the beats of our song. We can do this by playing through our video and hitting M whenever we hear a beat that we want to cut to. Now that we have our markers laid out on the timeline, we can come into our project bin. I'm going to expand mine so we can see it a little bit better. I'm going to click on the first clip and move the playhead of the clip to where I want my in point to be and mark I, and my out point and mark O. I'm going to repeat this process for all of my clips so that I can give the software an approximate of where I want my clips to be. With that complete, we then need to hold down Shift and select the first clip and the last clip to select all of them, and then move the playhead to the very beginning of the sequence. With the bin selected, come up to Clip, then come down to Automate to Sequence. For ordering, click Selection Order. For placement, select at numbered markers. Method, Overwrite Edit. You can keep the rest of the options the same. If you have audio in your clips, you can ignore that if you want to and then choose OK. Now if we play this back, Premiere Pro has automatically synced our clips to the beat of this song. And that's all there is to it.